everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is corn. We got this recipe from our friend Mama Ray Ray in the kitchen on YouTube, so we're going to put a link to her original recipe video in the description box below. But this is not just any corn, it's garlic butter corn. So good. We made it on the stove in a pot, but it was so easy. So watch this video, and if you like it, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
All right, everybody, we are making Mama Ray Ray's garlic butter corn on the cob. And we are using Great Value corn on the cob. There are 6 little cut up cobs in here for each package, and we use 2 packages. So there's 12 of them in there. And according to their package, if you want to you have to put them in frozen, keep them frozen, put them in there, cover them with water, and then bring it to a boil. Once it gets to a boil, then you reduce the heat and let it simmer for 4 to 5 minutes. So once it gets to a boil, I'm going to show you what Mama Ray Ray says to add. And I'll link her video in the description box below. Okay, so once they reach a boil, you turn it down to simmer. So I turned it down. And then you put in our butter. So we're going to do a stick of garlic herb butter. Now, Mama Ray Ray, I'll put her link below to her recipe. She puts in a stick of regular butter and then puts in like the seasonings, but there's no need to do that if your butter is a garlic herb butter seasoned stick of butter. So then we got to put in some milk, using my coconut milk here. All right, now that we're going to put the lid back on and let it simmer for 4 to 5 minutes until your desired tenderness. All right, so here is the corn. It is done to our desired tenderness. So we're turning off the flame.